Textile firms have urged farmers to venture into cotton farming in order to fill the raw material deficit within the industry that has forced them to resort to importation. Thika Cloth Mills Managing Director, Tejal Dodhia has urged farmers to direct their yields to the 3 major textile factories in the country ahead of the harvesting season.
In order to boost the country's textile industry, the government had supplied farmers with genetically modified BT cotton seeds that had seen a boost in yields for farmers, providing as much as 3 times the initial harvest. While addressing farmers in Taita Taveta, Tejal said there will always be a ready market for the highly sought commodity, and the industry is constantly modernizing their machinery and boosting its workforce in order to provide for the textile demand within the country.
We really look forward to pushing this agenda much further, increasing the number of cotton farmers, increasing the employment in the sector, right from the spinning, weaving, processing, and then the garment manufacturing.
Stakeholders in cotton farmers' cooperative societies said they had sealed a commitment deal with Thika Cloth Mills, saying the cotton farming industry is still untapped and could provide a source of living for Kenyans. Farmers, however, said that the high prices of BT seeds is still a hindrance, saying the high initial production cost discourages farmers from engaging in the venture.
Kazi zitaongezeka. Vijana wetu watapata kazi. Sisi wenyewe tutajivunia kuvaa nguo zetu za kutoka Kenya kwa sababu tumelima pamba wenyewe na zinarudi tunavaa sisi wenyewe. Kwa hiyo tunaamini ya kwamba maendeleo yanazidi kupatikana.
Tumepanda pamba na tukavuna na wakaja wakatuchukulia na kila mmoja akawa na morali wa kusema kwamba watapanda pamba kwa mwaka huu kwa wingi.
They also noted that the exploitation by brokers was a matter of concern as it continues to debilitate the industry. Reporting for Lunchtime News, my name is Ibak Saeed.